racing just started with Indian Pana. Break quickly to start. Daikiri Lens is Arias and Apple Deuce by Irish Top in between horses. Lucky Gunner. Then comes Pangarap Medalya Expresso. Top Secret running by the release Total Defiance. This time comes next Valenzuela. The next online Amulet. Raging War getting the wide strip as they make the first turn. While Camora is the early trailer by about 20 lengths of the leader, racing down the next wedge with Indian Pana. And Arias, that is Daikiriles. Total Defiance is running by the railroad. Irish Top is down in fourth, and in fifth comes Lucky Gunner. In between horses comes Pangarap, and on the outside now is Apple Dulce. Medalya Expresso comes next. Top Secret. Valenzuela comes next, then followed by this time Raging War. Amulet second last, while Camora is still racing in less. And Diana entering the home stretch with Indian Pana enjoying a 2 lengths lead. Daikiriles in second, Medalya Expresso, and Arias and Apple Dulce. Pangarap with about 150 meters more to run. We have Indian Pana by a length and a half over Daikiriles. And finally the program opener belongs to Indian Pana. Daikiriles, Pangarap, then comes Apple Dulce.
Alright, number 2, Indian Pana crossing the wire first. Banderang tapos, ridden by Apoy Asuncion. Masisigundo yung number 6 na rin, Daikiriles, then Pangarap. Dikit-dikit Apple Dulce. Panoorin natin replay nitong race number 1.